name is Pradeep. I'm here to share my honest review about AchieversIT Training Institute. I cleared an interview recently. As a non-IT student, I was looking for a good and best technical institute. Then I've been to many places, but their teaching is not up to that mark. Then I came to know about AchieversIT Training Institute, and I came in touch with Murli sir. In that, sir gave me some demo classes in which he covered all the technical skills and what we are going to learn in the institute. Then I took admission in here as a fresher, sir sir asked me to do tasks after every classes, and and also I faced many problems while coding and doing some problems, but the teaching staff and Murali sir helped me a lot. That kept me motivated.
Yeah.